Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show how to update Google Chrome OS. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. Now, to update your Chrome OS, open Settings, then go to About Chrome OS tab. Here, just click on Check for Updates, and if the updates will be available, your device will be updated in a while. After you get a prompt to restart your device to update, just click on Restart to finish the update. After the device gets updated, you'll have a notification for the highlights about the latest update. And now you can see, the Chrome OS has been successfully updated. So that was it, hope it was useful, consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.